Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I'm a CAD engineer in a CAD NEST. Today I'm just going to start one Revit topic here. So let us see here how to use this one as in callout. So callout also will call as in rectangular viewports. So if I take the callout, we are having two types of callout. One is rectangle, one is sketch callout. If I take rectangle callout, callout is nothing but like which portion you wanted to show this one, like which portion you want to highlight. So that particular portion only you can click on that and you can just see this one. Now see, I have created one callout here in the floor plan is showing that is callout ground floor callout one. If I double click on that, see how much view I have taken, only that particular view can be visible here. So that is called callout here. Now I'll just go back to the ground floor here. Again I'll take this one as sketch callout. If I take this sketch callout, how much, see this is irregular viewports. So how you want, you can sketch and you can finish this one, and you can see this one callout 2 it's showing here. So how much view I have taken, that much view only it's showing here in the callout. Okay, so that is will call as in callout. Hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you.